The mass shooting that we brought you, that was, of course, at our local bowling alley. You see a look at that, a crime scene there. Now, we've learned a little bit more about the suspect and a key piece of evidence where we could see some major changes when it comes to this investigation. Want to bring in our investigative reporter and our web producer, Jim Haggerty, who's been looking into all of this for us. First of all, welcome again. Thank you for being with us on the morning show. I know it's a different shift for you.
Thank you. No, it's wonderful.
Yes, we want to get to the story because there's a lot of confusion about some of the evidence that's come in. One of the things right now, too, is potentially his mental health kind of history. This is something we might not see, and it could also kind of help with a motive.
Yeah, early in this case, his former lawyer appeared in court with Mr. Webb, I believe it was the day after the shooting, and told the judge that he may be experiencing some memory loss. He may have suffered from post-traumatic stress disorder, but then we didn't hear anything else. Judge Joe McGraw then ordered a psychological evaluation to be done. That happened, but we're not going to see that report in the public record.
So with that and not showing the report, does that mean a potential jury would also not see the report if it's completely kept private?
Well, that's possible. That's possible. It's just going to depend on what the lawyers do in the case, how they proceed. The state and the defense could have reasons for wanting the report in the file or not wanting it. The biggest argument for not wanting it in there would be because the lawyer would argue that the past medical history is just not relevant to the case, but that's going to be up to the lawyers to argue.
I mean, it usually takes a little bit for all the evidence to come together to be able to do this, but is there a reason it has not gone to trial yet?
Well, it may be one of the reasons, but it's not the reason. There's a lot of evidence in this case. There's going to be a lot of discovery, a lot of witnesses, 33 charges, 33 murder charges, and 3 gun charges. So this is going to be a little bit slow. It's going to be slow moving in the courts, and there's COVID-19. This happened right in 2020.
Right. Months later. I mean,
coming right out of the first wave of COVID, and the courts were barely open. The courts opened back up, and in 2020 we had COVID again. So this is moving a little bit slow, but it's common for these types of motions to be filed, these types of rulings to happen in a case like this. It's a big mass shooting, big case, and it's just unfortunately, hasn't come to trial yet.
It's so hard to believe too that happened in our community. I mean, there was a look at the scene. I remember being out there that night, and just there's so much to this case.
Absolutely.
All right, Jim, we appreciate all of your investigating, everything that you're doing, and of course, we'll be checking in with you. We know you'll be staying up on this for us. I do want to